Some people will watch your video every single day. I'm talking about every single day. And they will not hit that like button. Some people will come across your vids and watch your shit every single day. They would not turn on them notifications. Some people are just dumb as hell, bro. And you need to really understand that in this world. Some motherfuckers is just dumb, bro. Just
again, bro. You know what I'm saying? Why you always following me, G? Come on, man. What, you want a house tour? I know. Come on. Hold on. You're not just finna walk around with this, you know what I'm saying? You gotta follow me. Like, you is tripping. You know what I'm saying? When you first walk in, this is what you gonna experience, you know what I'm saying? The high ceilings, you know what I'm saying? That's called a chandelier, I think. You know what I'm saying? Then you got to the left. Dining room, family fun. Let me turn the light on. Dining room, family fun, Uno, drop them boys off, you know what I'm saying? I'm a king of Uno, you know what I'm saying? You can't beat me. I'm lying, don't say nothing. Walk in here, got the living room. Do we got okay. Boom. Got the living room, right? Couch. We still furnishing, so you know, don't judge too hard. TV, couch, a little cool air, got the camera, so if you try to come in, say goodbye, you know what I'm saying? We keep it on us. This is the kitchen area. Hey! You know what I'm saying? Look out there, my boy, come on. You see those? You know what I'm saying? You see those? That's a forest, my boy. You know what I'm saying? Something you can't do. That's a forest out there. You don't want to go out there. Let me get some more light here. Yeah, how about that? You know what I'm saying? Island, kitchen, refrigerator, you're not going in there. Oven, we can actually watch the food cook now, you know what I'm saying? No more of these, you can watch the food cook. This is a gas stove. Never had one, but this is a gas stove. Cabinets, huge kitchen, bro, like, huge. What's this called again? Dishwasher. You knew I grew up in the hood, man. We gotta wash dishes no matter what, you know what I'm saying? Come on, folks. Come on, you feel me? This is the back door. Now this is in Atlanta, you know what I'm saying? Georgia. So it is very cold out here. That's why I got my 2 layers on. This is where you go, do what you want. Thanksgiving, they had some turkeys out. We was like, oh, that's cute, turkeys running, yada, yada, yada. But then we heard gunshots and realized they was running for their lives. You feel me? So, yeah, that's that. Big house, something I'm not used to. So much space make you scared. I think you got ghosts in here, G. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take you out there last. Follow me. Little desk area. Do some work, whatever you want to do. Another pantry right here. I forgot to tell you. Pantry, football, extra storage space. Then we gonna walk upstairs. Right? Wait, matter of fact, I ain't even show y'all that. You know what I'm saying? Master bed. Hop in. Master bedroom. We still gonna change the lights, do whatever, yada yada yada. King seat, you feel me? Peasants walk in, hey massa, what do you need done? You know what I'm saying? Everything. Nice, huge room. This is one of the main events, feel me? Bathroom. This is the bathroom. Bathroom bigger than the average room, you feel me? Walk in, you got a door inside your bathroom. This sort of toilet where you pee and poop, you know what I'm saying? Or I don't know what else you do in the bathroom. I know you be being your meat gang, you don't gotta call me twice. Jacuzzi, nice, big tub. Turn the water on, off, whatever you wanna do, throw some bubbles in there. I know the homies be like, oh, you take baths? Cause my definition of a bath is like, this is a bath. Oh, you don't take showers, you dirty. You lying, you know what I'm saying? Come here. I guess you call it the shower, I call it the bath. Again, still, you know what I'm saying? Come with the light. And, you know what I'm saying, air. But one of the things, there's a closet inside the bathroom. You definitely get lost in it. You hear the echo? Also, who's at my door? Check the blinds and ish. Make sure we turn all the lights off, because we don't pay no bills here. Got the his and hers sink. Echo! Yes, sir. Now we finna go up. Watch your step, bro, don't fall. As soon as you hit upstairs, you got a room, boom. Gaming room, assassination room. I see the ops downstairs. Room, you know what I'm saying, pick and choose what I wanna do. Closet, hot up here. It's gorgeous. Cooler movie area. Projector, they had a projector. It was right here, but projector, a huge TV, whatever you want to do. Couch, cooler area to be in. Run through this. Boom. So as you see, this is another room. Boom. Room. Closet. Bathroom. Bathroom leads into the other bathroom. Shower. Another bathroom. Watch your step, don't get lost. About to leave out, you know what I'm saying? Closet right there, closet for the room. Then we back in the hallway, feel me? Hey gang, where you at? Bro, can't be losing you, bro, you know what I'm saying? Look, closet. Then, I know you tired. This is gonna be a long video. Big house, bathroom, right? A little plant, nice little touch. Then you got upstairs, the other room, right? Boom. Got the little secret, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to call it, a little secret. Feel me? Tight-ish. Got another one of those right here. Again, it's not furnished. Then you got the closet. Spacious. Y'all feed me? Spacious, wacious, little studio. That's a queen bed. Gonna furnish probably all the rooms to have guest rooms. I'm on red now. We got the cabinets. We got the bathroom right here. We got a little closet door right there. Then we got a, you know what I'm saying, security system. Then we got a garage, bro. One garage door, another garage door with a light. You hear the echo because it's big. We got 2 to 3 cars. And you got the Hellcat. And I mean, that's pretty much it, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta leave. Wait, make sure you like the video. You know what I'm saying? My channel act like we shadow ban YouTube. They don't want me to succeed. But I know I got a personality for this, so make sure you like the video so you won't get shadow banned. And you gotta leave, bro. Like, you gotta go on. Look over there. Bro, I'm gonna follow you though, for real. I ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying, do nothing weird. I'll follow you. Feel me? Yeah, I always follow you on the low. There's a Corvette over there. Oh my God. Bro, you gotta leave, bro. For real, I'm gonna follow you in the next clip, man. We gonna, you know what I'm saying? Chop it up. I know you want to get your credit up. You want to get houses like this, cars like this, fast cars. So I got you. Just make sure you like the video and comment. I might be what? I might. You want cash out? You want money? Cash out you something. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, shoot by running, come out, no cap.